Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.2, Problem 8. This is Section 4.2, Problem 8. It says, find the ratio of the corresponding sides of the given similar triangles. So it's saying that these are similar. What's the ratio of the sides? So it really shouldn't matter which ones you match up as long as they're corresponding. So you could do the long diagonal to the long diagonal, you could do the upright to the upright, or the horizontal to the horizontal. We should get the same answer either way. I'll pick the diagonal ones. So the ratio would be 10 for the diagonal of the first triangle to 15 for the diagonal of the second triangle. And you can reduce that by 5. The 5 divides into the 10 twice, and 5 divides into the 13 3 times. So I have 2/3. Now notice if I had done the 6/9, that would also be 2/3. That would be the upright to the upright. Or if I did the vertical to the, the horizontal to the horizontal, it'd be 8 to 12, which can reduce by 4 also to 2/3. So it doesn't matter which pair you pick, the ratios should come out the same.